It's giveaway day. Now we've got a lot to do in this video. We got our first ever Quest 3 giveaway just end. We got to pick a winner for that. Thanks to all of you, we've had the biggest month the channel's ever had. We've grown so much that I want to say thank you by starting another Quest 3 giveaway right away. Now Meta's not providing these for me, these are coming out of pocket, but thanks to all of you, it's been amazing, all of the support from all of you lately, so thank you so much. What's also nice about that is it makes it easy for these giveaways to be worldwide, because basically whoever wins, I usually just buy it from a website there where they're at that can deliver it easily to them. Makes things a little easier too. All said and done, we ended up with 3,651 potential users that can win. That's a lot of people, by far the most that have ever participated in a giveaway here on the channel. All right, let's pick a winner. Congratulations, Henry Verdeen. Congratulations on winning our first Quest 3. To all of you out there who participated, there is another one and we got to get it started right now. So let's talk about that giveaway. So if you enter the last giveaway, it's going to feel pretty familiar, basically the same steps. There's going to be a link down below in the description, in the comments, and up here in the corner. The link is actually going to have to take you to the tweet that then takes you to the Gleam, because YouTube's being weird about Gleam links lately. So we just have to add one extra step to get there, unfortunately. This is really important here. Just like this giveaway, when it's over, I will not be reaching out in the comments. I reach out directly through the email I have from Gleam, and also here by posting a video saying who won. So if somehow a scammer gets past, a bot gets in there and tries to say in the comments, hey, you won, contact me on Telegram or something. Those are scams. Don't listen to those. We're pretty good at blocking them quickly. We have a good list of words that stops them from getting in, but sometimes they get past. But if you're here to enter the new giveaway, all you gotta do is hit the link in the description or pinned in the top comment, get entered in that one. We're gonna let that run through the end of the next month, through the end of November. So that winner will get theirs just in time for Christmas. Everything that's been going on, all of you showing up for everything Quest 3, it's been a huge month. The channel is reaching new heights all the time. So thank you once again. We actually just hit 53,000 this morning, which is, I guess was it last night? I don't even know. We just hit 53,000 this weekend, at least, that's for sure. So thank you so much once again. Congrats to Henry. Good luck in the next giveaway as well. We also get game codes and stuff. We just drop those directly in the Discord. So if you haven't joined the Discord, get over there in case you want to get some of those free game codes. Whenever I get them, I just throw them up in the Discord for people to grab them. So check that out too. But thank you so much for coming out, and I will see you in another reality.